Uh, Good afternoon and welcome to all of you. I see about 146, 147 participants joining this webinar. This webinar is on a very important topic, that is on food and nutrition in the time of COVID. As Dr. Garima has already told you, that we are undergoing a severe challenge, and we can see that this is something which we never expected. We had not thought that a situation like this would emerge, and we will be living under lockdown, living within our houses, and also living with very limited means. Now, there are so many dimensions to this problem. There are so many impacts of this problem. There are social, psychological, economic, a number of, you can say, fallouts of this problem. But food and nutrition is very important because we all know that without nutrition, we won't be having a healthy body and healthy mind. When we were discussing in our staff meeting the corona or COVID-19 problem, then all these aspects emerged in our discussions. And the Home Science Department took this challenge of organizing this seminar. You know, we all have been seeing people posting so many pictures of their cooking abilities. They are cooking so many things, so many special foods are being cooked, which otherwise they must not have been cooking. Now, this is about what we can say that a class which has the means, which has all the means, and there is a large class to which all these amenities are not available. Even clean water is not available to them. What about them? The children who had already been deprived, you know, all over the world, not only in India, all over the third world countries, there are so many children who are malnourished, who are suffering for various diseases because of this problem. Now, what about them? During this pandemic, what must be happening to them? We must think about it. We are responsible citizens, we are teachers, we have to guide people, we have to tell our students as to how responsibly they can behave during this pandemic as regards food and nutrition, not only for themselves, but they should be empathetic towards other people who may be suffering because of this problem, because they are not getting food. I know that so many organizations, so many people are doing a lot of work, but a lot is still to be done. So we are here gathered from our homes, and we will be discussing, we will be listening to our experts who would be telling us about food and nutrition problem, or what we should eat during this time to keep even ourselves healthy, because it is very essential that we should keep ourselves healthy, so that we do not burden the healthcare system of our country. So one aspect is that, and another aspect is how we can do something for those who are already malnutrition, the children, the people, the women who are the worst sufferers, who had already been suffering and will suffer more because of this crisis. So friends, all of you who have joined this webinar, I welcome you all, our guest of the webinar, the speakers of the webinar, I welcome you. And I really appreciate the Department of Home Science, Dr. Sangeeta Devadia, Dr. Garima, Dr. Anshu, Dr. Sunita, Dr. Priyanka, everyone who has made this seminar, this webinar possible. And of course, our technical assistant, Shri Chandrakant. So now over to Garima to begin the proceedings of the day. Thank you so much.